Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about common seed starting mistakes and how you can avoid them to ensure a thriving garden. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Starting seeds too early. Many gardeners are eager to get a jump start on the growing season, but starting seeds too early can lead to weak, leggy seedlings. How to avoid this mistake: follow the 4 to 6 week rule. Start seeds indoors about 4 to 6 weeks before the last expected frost date in your area. Know your frost date. Check online resources or local gardening guides for your local frost date. Stagger planting. Plant seeds in intervals to manage transplanting more efficiently. Mistake 2. Neglecting heat. Seeds need warmth to germinate, especially crops like tomatoes and peppers. A chilly environment can slow down or prevent germination. How to avoid this mistake? Invest in a heat mat. Use a heat mat with a thermostat set to around 75 degrees for optimal germination. Utilize warm spots. Place seed trays in naturally warm areas like sunny windowsills or atop appliances. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on temperature fluctuations to ensure consistent warmth. Mistake 3. Insufficient light. Seedlings need adequate light to grow strong. Insufficient light leads to weak, spindly plants. How to avoid this mistake? Invest in grow lights. Choose grow lights with high lumens, 500-2000, and a color temperature of 4500-6500 Kelvin. Position lights correctly. Keep the light source about 2 inches above the seedlings. Use reflectors. Reflectors can help direct more light onto your seedlings. Mistake 4. Sheltering seedlings excessively. Overprotecting seedlings can make them weak and unprepared for outdoor conditions. How to avoid this mistake? Use a fan. Expose seedlings to a gentle breeze using a fan to strengthen their stems. Touch them. Gently brush your hands over the seedlings a few times a day. Gradual exposure. Harden off seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions before transplanting. Mistake number 5. Watering from below. Watering from below can attract fungus gnats and impede root development. How to avoid this mistake? Top watering. Water from above, allowing the soil surface to dry out between waterings. Proper drainage. Ensure seed trays have proper drainage. Consistent moisture. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be on your way to a successful seed starting journey and a flourishing garden. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your own seed starting experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening!